Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit videos in Davinci Resolve. So here I've already opened the Davinci Resolve 19, and to start edit your videos, you can click on a new projects in here, tap on create. And now here, before adding the clips, you can go to file and go to the project settings. This one's right here, or you can also use this shortcut Shift+9, and in here you can adjust the resolution of the video, and here you can also adjust the pixel aspect ratio and also the frame time rate in here. I'm going to go with 30, and if you're done, you can click on save. Now you can find your video and drag it in here. So I'm going to find my video first. For example, in here, I'm going to use this videos right here. You can drag it into this media pool in here, and to add it into the timeline, you can just drag it just like this. And here is the cut. If you want to basic editing, you can go to edit. Here you can see there will be this toolbox. You can add transition, titles, effects, filters, and here you can choose which one to use. For example, I'm going to just cut the video here. To add transition, you can click on this blade icon, click on the video. Now the video will be split into two, and to add the transition here, you can just choose which one. I'm going to go with this. For example, you can just drag it, and the transition will be added in between the clips. Here you can adjust the duration of the transition, and if you want to do color correction, you can go to colors in here, and you can see these are the color wheel. You can adjust it to how you like it. You can just drag it just like this. Adjust the circle on the color wheel to find the color that you want. And when you are done, you can go to the delivery in here, and this is where you can export your videos. You can also set the setting first, and after that you can click on add to the render queue. Choose the file folder where the project will be saved. Tap on save, and it will be queue in here. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.